What are you saying? What are you saying? Dad. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Well, mama mama. Try that one. No, mama mama. Mama mama. Mama mama. Or you could poop. Either way. Did you scare yourself with your boyfriend? You having a fight with your boyfriend already? You guys have only been dating for like 2 months. You're beating him up. That's assault, kid. It's assault. You think assault is funny? You think assault is funny? You're gonna kiss and make up? Oh, that's a kiss and make up moment. You still fighting? Are you shocking yourself with him? Oh my goodness, his head is suddenly up there. Oh! Yeah, get away, run away, run away. And then you bring him close again. No. No. It could be like I'm stupid. Oh my goodness. How'd it get there? Oh my gosh, you're so shocked. You're so shocked. Does his hair smell good? You have a good smell of hair? You tell me. Yeah? Here I come, baby. Let's get a close up. Oh no, you've got the camera. No. Oh yes, just the camera. What are you gonna do with it? What are you gonna do with it? You're gonna eat it? Oh, is it tasty? Is it tasty? Bless you. What are you doing with the camera? What are you doing with it? What are you doing with it? Can I have it back? You can't do that. Oh no, you're gonna eat it! Don't eat it. It don't like being eaten. You wanna see her? See it? Look. Look at the screen. Give it back. Say bye-bye, baby. Say bye-bye. Wait, bye-bye. Look at those little fingers. They're so cute. Oh, I won't do that again. What? What? Okay, you can have it back. Yeah? What are you doing?